Now, let's test our knowledge on tongue diagnosis, on ascending liver yang and liver fire. Number one, liver yin deficiency usually occurs in combination with
Combination ng liver yin,
letters.
liver, blood, and kidney yin deficiency.
What is the common root of liver yin and kidney yin?
Essence.
Essence,
Kidney yin deficiency will always lead to
liver yin
Liver
deficiency.
yin deficiency.
so take care of the kidney, okay? Make sure you still have that coating in your tongue. Long-standing liver blood deficiency may lead to
Long,
Yin.
liver yin deficiency.
liver yin deficiency. Ascending liver yang occurs when
Ascending. When yin fails to control yang.
Yeah. Ascending liver yang primarily rises toward the
Chest,
Abdomen. Chest.
head.
chest,
Head.
Head na.
Headache.
Kaya nga may headache.
oo. Kaya may sakit ng ulo.
Oh.
Okay. One very incorrect answer. Okay. Number 7. Symptom is characteristic of ascending liver yang.
Dizziness, pagkahilo.
Yeah, dizziness. Think of liver yang rising. Tinnitus in TCM is commonly associated with
Liver yang.
Liver yang rising.
dry eyes in this pattern result from
Yin deficiency.
Yin deficiency.
which organ's yin deficiency contributes to ascending liver yang?
Kidney.
Kidney.
Take care of the kidney, huh? Now we understand how everyone has this problem, or many people have this problem. Sudden fits of rage are associated with
Liver fire.
Liver fire.
the next time you see someone in a fit of rage, check the tongue. Wait lang, let's check your tongue, okay? Liver fire. Nosebleeds in liver fire are due to
Blood.
Blood moving regularly.
facial redness indicates
Heat or fire.
the tongue body in the liver fire is typically
Red.
Red.
why does the tongue appear swollen?
Dampness, tense fluid movement.
Tense fluid movement. Which tongue areas correspond to the liver?
Sides.
Sides.
In liver fire, tongue sides are
Redder
Redder
redder than
than
the rest. Swelling and redness in the tongue sides extend
entire length.
entire length. Differentiating liver yang rising and liver fire via tongue is
Difficult.
difficult. Liver fire
Mahirap niyan.
typically
Pag liver fire, dark and red and dry.
dark red and dry. Dry tongue in liver fire is due to
Heat injuring.
Injuring
Fluids.
ascending liver yang mainly develops from
Kidney yin deficiency.
cracks in the tongue suggest
Yin
Yin
deficiency.
deficiency.
a rootless coating indicates
Yin
Yin
deficiency.
deficiency.
red points along the tongue sides indicate
Liver heat.
liver heat. Red points in the middle of tongue sides indicate middle of
Stomach
stomach.
Stomach heat.
Liver yin not nourished by blood leads to,
Heat development.
in some cases, tongue body remains pale due to
10 cases. Blood deficiency.
women losing blood through menstruation may develop
Liver blood.
liver blood.
Deficiency.
Migraines during menstruation indicate
Liver yang rising.
Liver yang rising.
temple headaches are associated with
Liver.
liver. Tongue diagnosis alone
Not always
is
reliable.
reliable, which must also be considered for diagnosis.
Pulse and symptoms.
Symptoms.
Sudden diarrhea suggests
Diarrhea. Kidney deficiency onset. Letter B.
Strong smelling diarrhea indicates.
Heat.
Heat.
Tight neck muscles with headaches indicate.
Liver fire.
Liver fire.
Night sweats are a sign of.
Yin deficiency heat.
Which lifestyle factor contributes to the condition?
Condition. Alcohol abuse.
Alcohol abuse. Nicotine contributes to.
Heat
D.
generation.
Okay, smoke pa more. Okay. Caffeine contributes. Caffeine. Okay. Caffeine contributes to.
Caffeine.
Heat
Di
and
ba caffeine stimulation? Heat and stimulation.
Regular eating leads to.
internal
Internal
imbalance.
imbalance.
Chronic lack of sleep affects.
Yin.
Yes. Wow, galing. Repressed emotions. Kinikim-kim.
Liver.
Liver.
Liver. Sudden rage is due to.
Liver fire.
Liver fire.
Heat in the heart may cause.
Night sweats.
Ooh.
Yes. The dynamic nature of yang causes.
Vigorous movement.
Very good. Which element is associated with liver?
Liver. Wood.
Fire.
Ano sabi ng metal?
Wood.
Causes
Wood.
blood to.
Heat causes blood to move recklessly.
That's why sometimes you have nosebleed, no? What is the
Mm.
medical term for nosebleed?
Nosebleed.
Hindi, ano? Sa
Starts
ulo ko na to.
9 letters.
Ano tawag, Doc?
Ang nosebleed is known as...
Balingoy-ngoy?
No!
Hindi.
Epistaxis. Starts with letter. Okay, epistaxis. Very good. Epistaxis. Wow. Great.
Di ba sa Tagalog yung balingoy-ngoy?
Ngayon, alam nyo na bakit nag-epistaxis yung mga tao.
Epistaxis.
Signs suggest severe heat.
Dry tongue.
Right.
Balitang.
The last question. Wow, naabot natin yung 8. So, walang matitegi. Okay, ascending liver yang is considered.
Deficiency evolving into excess.
Excess. Pagkatapos ng depression, magiging excess.
Congratulations, everyone. And
Thanks, Doc.
yeah, we hope to see you again. And congratulations again.